Alright, time for the next meal. There's that thing I told you about. Use this one. This cutting board. Okay. Welcome to South Dakota. I brought the rain. Mushrooms, I just wiped them down. My grandmother used to peel mushrooms. Swear to God, peel them. So I'm going to take the hard edges of the stems off, and then we'll come back. Alright, we'll speed up the chopping. Some people like that. Into the copper chef. I was gonna stop and grab some more veggies, but that didn't happen. I was hoping to see a Walmart, and because I bring the rain, we're not using a grill. All right, here's another. I had another piece of zucchini, cleaned, obviously again. Okay, into the pot. Pick that up, that works. You're gonna hear a lot of rain in this one, I guess. Medium low, start, olive oil. Not gonna be anything fancy. Ms. Dash, Italian herb, because why not? A little bit of essence of emerald. It's raining! And a little bit of garlic powder. And then what happens with that is it cooks, and we add a little bit more seasoning if we need it. We add a little bit more, let's get you in there, we add a little bit more olive oil if it needs it. We'll come back and take the mushrooms out because I'm trying to do a one pan meal, and then in there is going to go a pound of hamburger. This is 90-10 sriracha, garlic powder, and we'll let that cook down. Okay, the hamburger's getting close to done. I forgot I had some onion, so we're gonna put some onion in now. I didn't forget, I just missed it in there. And let that finish up. Okay? Okay. More sriracha. All right. And back in go the mushrooms and what is that? Zucchini. Duh. Mix that up. That hot again. All right, we're getting close, and I saw this, so I grabbed it. It doesn't make any sense, but I'm gonna put some chili beans in there. Because, you know, why not? That's not bad. That's gonna work. There. Going with paper plate. Tortilla. So I guess this would get called like a slop burrito or something. Okay. Hamburger beans. Onions. Mushrooms. Zucchini. Could work. It tasted good when I tasted it. Good enough for a travel day. We got some cheese. And there is something when it's raining outside. Of course, we'll hit it with a little sriracha. We're going to wrap it up. I'll take the first bite of it right here. You know what? That's good enough. Oh, I'll do a flyover with a second, but I got veggies in there. I got meat in there, beans. Still beats Taco Bell. All right, YouTubers, we'll do the flyover. All right, flyover. Not too shabby. Use what you got. Make a meal out of it. And you'll have a great and wonderful day.